So beer on a gadget channel? Well, I'm happy to tell you that they actually connect right here with the iGulu homebrew kit. An all-in-one design to brew your beer in 3 easy steps, keep it cold and carbonated so you can pour a glass. Or 8. But, is it any good?
MrBlack.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool beer that comes my way. If you like gadgets and gear like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't be a stranger. Also hit the like button if you like a nice home brew. iGulu did reach out and ask if they could send this in exchange for a video showing how it works, what it's like, and I was like, yeah. But seriously, having a homebrew kit has a lot of advantages, which we'll get to. But first, let's rewind and start the process from scratch, because it takes 10 days to make the beer. By the way, most homebrew systems take like 2 or 3 times longer. So you get the home brewing kit and it comes with a lot of different drinks, from ales to apple hard cider, English porter. I mean, you can pick and choose what you want on their website. And the unit itself, a sleek and space-saving design which fits into any kitchen or home bar. Step 1, mix. Add the beer kit and filtered water into the fermentation keg. You give it a stir, and then step 2, brew. You scan the RFID sticker or select brew type via the onboard menu. Also on this touchscreen, you can fine tune the parameters, whether it's carbonation or temperature, and because it has built-in Wi-Fi, you can even do firmware updates. You can set it for bottling drinks, making kombucha, or even put it into sparkling mode to deliver high-quality sparkling water to carbonate any soft drinks or mocktails. All right, it's all set up. We hit the ferment button and now we wait. Now for these 10 days, it's gonna do this automatically. It has automated temperature and pressure management for consistent, flavorful results.
Much later.
So it's been a long 10 days, but it's finally ready. The big question you're gonna be asking is it any good? What is it gonna taste like? So let's pour this. Should be good. It's at 3 degrees Celsius. Got some good carbonations, good head to it. That tastes great. That actually tastes really good. I love that it keeps it nice and cold. It's got the carbonation in it, and it has a tap on top to make it easy to pour. Now, another thing you can do is take the keg out and keep that refrigerated. You can have multiple kegs. That way you're brewing multiple beers, and it does come with a tap, so you can actually tap it from the keg itself, or you can put it back in and use the tap right here. But if you've ever wanted to brew your own beer, this is a great way to do it. It's insanely easy, and it tastes really good. I can't even quite put my finger on it. It's like a cross between a couple of different beers that I really like a lot. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But ever since this thing finally finished, I've been enjoying it. It's been great. And just kind of knowing that you just made it right there is awesome. So I'll order some more flavors and test all of those out. It does come in a variety of different colors. And do check out the link in the description for more information and also the current and up-to-date price. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I love this thing, and I love that the two things kind of coincided on this channel. And if you want to see some other really cool gear, make sure you check out one of these videos up on the screen. And yeah, cheers.